Amen? My life, Lord, is yours to control. Because life is very, very short. Tugutan na ito na itong kinabuhi, i-control sa Ginoo. Amen? Let God control your life. Let God be the driver of your heart. Amen? Now in our text, in the book of James chapter 4, verse 13 down to verse number 14 in the Bible, good to know you that say, today, tomorrow, we will go into such a city and continue there a year. Mamaligya, kunya magpaginan siya. Amen? Kung imong tanaw sa verse 13, usa ni ka plano, usa ni ka tinguha sa usa ka tawo. But iyon ang Bible sa verse number 14, whereas you know not what shall be tomorrow. Wata kabalo, wata masayon, unsay mahitabo sa uma. For what is your life? Kay unsa ba ang inyong kinabuhi sa Cebuano? It is given a vapor. Kinisama lang sa mist or alisnaw. Assume that the Bible said that appears for a little time, and then what? Vanishes away. In the book of Psalm chapter 90, ang edad sa tao, edad lang din siya 70.